Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your country on the X application, formerly known as Twitter. If you move to a new location and you want to see region-specific content or just need to update your account information, follow through these steps. First, launch the X app open on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account credentials. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open up the side menu. From the side menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Soon after you do that, on the next page, click on your account at the top. Under your account, click on Account Information. Now, from your account information page, tap on Country dropdown. Go ahead and select a different country from the menu, choose your new country, and click on Change in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you have successfully changed your country on X application. This will help you get more relevant recommendations, ads, and content based on your location. So that's how super easily it can be done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.